Hey guys, welcome back to OurTechies, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix a dead or a non-working Bluetooth speaker. So basically this is my old JBL Bluetooth speaker and it's not working from last 6 months. I'm not using that and is this speaker from last 6 months, and today suddenly I'm try to make it turn it on and it's just not working. It's completely no symbol of life, and even I've also connected it for more than 2 hours to the charger and still the same issue. So I'm going to show you how can we fix that issue, and this is working for all kind of Bluetooth speaker. Basically make sure to do only in this case if you're not using your Bluetooth speaker for more than 2 or 3 months, or anytime not using it basically. And if you dropped your speaker in water, or if you dropped it somewhere, then it will not work. Basically there may be internal fault there, but it's only if you not used your JBL speaker from more than 2 or 3 months, then only you use that technique. It will definitely helps you to fix that. So let's see how can you fix that. Basically I try to turn it on and it's getting it's not, there is no symbol of light. You can see the light is not getting on and my speaker is not getting on. So let's see first, let's connect my USB cable with the laptop and let's see what does it says. Still nothing. So let's disconnect first and let's do the simple technique. How can you fix that? You also require a aux cable for that, and you require a cable, data cable, 3.5 USB headphone jack as well. So aux cable. So let's see, first of all let's connect this aux cable and to the okay. And now let's connect that. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Sometimes it's more, it also takes more than 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes it just in 2 or just less than 30 seconds it will automatically a red light, or means a power button will appear light. Okay, here it is. You can see the light button gets turned on, but I try to turn it on my JBL. Still I'm not able to make it on. So let's see. Okay, okay, now it's make it on. Okay, okay, here it is. You can see now it's started working. So basically this is the best way you can fix your all the Bluetooth speaker if it's dead. So if you like this video and if it's work for your speaker, then just go ahead and like this button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this.